Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new customer to the Invoice Maker PDF generator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the customers button down below, which is the third option, and click on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the name to type in the name of the customer. Click on the email and type in the email address. Then type in their phone number, add their address, and you can add optional notes here to this last section. If you are done with filling out these forms, tap on the add button in the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the your client's name. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.